All right, so we're getting ready to start 404. Let's talk about what that looks like and what exactly we're doing in step 404. We're getting into some arrays, and we're basically going to start with our 403 step, and we're going to take this menu and we're going to populate it using arrays. And not only are we going to populate this using the arrays, but with the same array, we're going to place the content into the main screen. It's pretty interesting when you think about it. What we're doing is basically creating this menu based on a simple array, and then we're also using the content that we display in that area with the array as well. This is a multi-dimensional array. We're learning about some certain things with arrays, and you'll see this is not in alphabetical order by the name. We're going to learn how to sort an array. We're going to learn how to dip in and grab different pieces, parts, and information from an array by indexing, by actually going over, right, 0, 1, 2, 3, and we're inside 0 here because this is just one big array with a bunch of arrays inside of it. And if you look, when we click on it, we're going to learn how we can actually take that index number, embed it into our HTML as a ID, and then use that number to call into this array and get the appropriate results fed back to it. When we take a look at our JavaScript that we're going to do in here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add, first of all, we're going to pull the array in above our app.js so that it's accessible to our app.js. And then on our initialize application function, we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab that global variable, which that array, that object, which is actually global, and we're going to say sort it, and we're going to learn how we can sort the array. And then after we sort it, we're going to go ahead down here in our menu builder, and we're going to break this out and make some changes and dynamically build our menu links based on all those elements in the array, and learn how to use the index to access the information that's inside of the array. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and we'll use in our click function, we'll learn that how to populate. We're going to populate the inner HTML. And we're going to do that through, let me pull this up here a little better for you. We're going to do that by capturing the ID, the array index, and then using that to extract the quote itself out of the array and display it in the main content area of our application. Pretty straightforward and somewhat easy lesson, yet so much to be learned, because arrays are such a huge part of JavaScript. They're such a huge part of programming. It is a way to store and capture information, large amounts of information, and leverage it throughout applications. So look forward to getting started on this with you, and we'll see you in the next video.